What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Degen Alpha. I'm your host, Taco. I hope you're having a wonderful Taco Tuesday. It's my favorite day of the week. Go figure, right? Because, it's the day that you indulge in tacos every single meal. That's what I do all week long. If you don't believe me, I'm just playing around. I hope you're having a great day, everyone. Crypto O Breezy, Nicole, Menace Tater, and Vino. Tommy Martin, smash that like button. I appreciate you guys being here. I hope you're having a great day. Let's get right into the crypto markets. But first, you know what we do here. Give us a follow at Degen Alpha Show. We are live Monday through Friday at a brand new time, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Of course, this is your guide to confident blockchain navigation and, of course, the wildest degenerate crypto picks handpicked by me, Taco. So give this guy a follow, crypto_taco01, the one and only. All right. And then, of course, you got to join our Telegram channel because we had the community growing in there. Let's check it out right now. Oh, God, I'm on my Silo free bot. I was checking out Nero yesterday, all these people adding and removing liquidity right before Binance listed it. A little sketchy, a little front-running insider. Binance, I've been seeing a lot of FUD about this. Binance listed this token at a 15 million market cap. And why haven't they listed things like, I don't know, dog? Is it dog or dogs? Dogs. It's dogs. Dogs is at almost a $500 million market cap. Still not on Binance. Don't know why. But yeah, they listed Nero, that scam meme coin where I think I might still have it up. Let's see. Maybe. Well, here's their webpage. I would avoid this meme coin, because it seems to be very heavily manipulated by insiders, and somehow they got it listed on Binance. And, of course, people just dumped on retail's head. So I'd avoid this one. But what was I saying? Well, let's just check out the crypto markets. Why not? All right, so we are sitting at a 2.1 trillion market cap. That is great to see. We are above the 2 trillion psychological level. We kind of exploded past it today. We're up 4.4643% over the last 24 hours of all of the market cap. So that's great to see. 24-hour volume, pretty steady, 71.91 billion, up 2.19%. Bitcoin dominance at 57.3. ETH dominance at 13.6. ETH dominance has been falling, unfortunately. And if you want to send your friend some Ethereum today, right now it'll cost 17.14 Gwei, which is, I'm going to say, around $1.20. $1.20. Let's check it out. How close am I? 91 cents. All right, I was a little off. I'm not on point every single day, but I'm in the ballpark. I'd say I'm in the ballpark. All right, so we have everything is green almost. Bitcoin is up 5.68% today, up 6.39% on the week. It was above 61,000 earlier today. So it blasted past 60,000 earlier this morning after hitting a bottom yesterday. Let's check out the trading view chart on Bitcoin. Let's see exactly what happened. Let's get the Coinbase chart. So we have bounced right off of this support zone that, again, it has touched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times in the past 200 or so days. We've just been in this descending channel for about, let's see how long, 203 days. And today we got that nice pump. Let's see, we bottomed out at around $57,462 and currently up from there 6.42%. We got that nice momentum wave on Market Cypher B down here. We have money flow nice and healthy in the green, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. VWAP is positive. RSIs just took a U-turn, and they're heading to the upside, so that's great to see. Let's see if we can speculate what could happen next few hours. So we saw this similar move, I would say, back in July 25th. With the RSIs, and I'd say similarly with the momentum waves. Do you like troll? Says Plutobolic. Is that a meme coin? Let me know. I'll look into it. Maybe I will like it. So I guess you could kind of speculate. We still have some move to go. Let's say we're like halfway up this move back in July 25th. It could still go up another 5%. Maybe it touches the local top back in August 25th at $64,941. That would be a pump from here of about 6.36%. All right, yeah, I'll look into that, Pluto Bollock. I like your name, by the way. Let's say if we get back up to this resistance line at 66,738, that would be a 9.48% pump. Hey, what's up, Big Tip Shark? Glad you're joining me. All right, so if we do get this nice move on Bitcoin, maybe this is the time. Maybe this is the time that we finally break out of this descending resistance that, again, has been going since, let's say, back in March. And now we're in September, so it's been quite a long time that we've just been in this channel. All right, so that's Bitcoin. Let's see what else is moving today. All right, Ethereum is having a pretty good day, 4.42% gain on the 24-hour. Barely up on the week, barely up on the hour. So let's hope that Benjamin Cohen has been calling for Bitcoin versus ETH, or ETH versus Bitcoin to weaken. He thinks that ETH is going to be weaker versus Bitcoin, and that's kind of what we have been seeing. Let's see if we can find that on the chart, actually. All right, so we want ETH BTC. Or maybe it's the other way around. I always forget. BTC ETH. All right, here it is. They flip-flopped it back. Okay. All right, come on, let's go. Ethereum, Bitcoin on Binance. Why don't you want to click on it? All right, let's try again. That's weird. I've never had that happen before. Let's try again. It won't let me click on it. What is going on here? Let's refresh my trading view. I have never had that happen before. Let's try it one more time. BTC ETH. I want to look at this chart. What? I'm lost. I don't know why it's not going to this chart. It's not going to any chart. Very weird. All right, maybe if we duplicate it, we can go to the chart. BTC. It doesn't want me to see the chart, I guess. BTC ETH. All right. I give up. Let's keep it moving then. All right. I guess you guys are just gonna have to believe me. Maybe I can find Benjamin Cohen's tweet. Benjamin Cohen. Benjamin. I'm never gonna be able to find this guy. God damn it. All right. Well, I guess you're just gonna have to believe me. Ethereum is falling versus Bitcoin, and we're gonna hope that finally finds a bottom so that, you know, like Ethereum can maybe start performing better. That'd be great. All right. Well, sorry, I tried. My trading view just doesn't want to work. I've never had that happen before. Cameron Earth King. Taco Tuesday. Sup, Holmes? What's up, my friend? I haven't seen that name in a long time. The Earth King. All right. A phantom. All right. So this is pretty cool. A phantom option to list an NFT as a Solana Blink. You can share the link to Twitter where someone can directly purchase it without navigating to the actual NFT marketplace. So here's a little short 24-second video of him going through the process. All right, so he wants to sell his DGOD for 3.43 ETH, create a Blink. All right, list it for sale. So then he'll get the URL that you can then post to X, and people can just literally click on that post and buy it right there, right then and there. You don't have to navigate to another website in order to buy that NFT. Pretty cool. And I believe all of this is happening, and Phantom is coming out with all of this utility, use cases, different features because of Breakpoint, Solana Breakpoint, happening in 3 days. So they're leading up to that Breakpoint event, and it's in Singapore. I've been seeing a lot of people flying out there. I hope you guys are having a great time. Stay safe, stay healthy, and avoid law enforcement. That's my little, I don't know. I just want you guys to have a good time. All right, so introducing username. Usernames give you more control of your Phantom experience. You can create a Phantom identity. So this kind of reminds me of like an ENS name or a Solana name service name. But it looks like you can just do it right in your Phantom wallet, send crypto to other Phantom users with ease, and you can sync accounts across devices. And it's 100% opt-in and private by design. And this is when you'll get access. So the earlier that you created your Phantom wallet, the better chance you have of getting early access to this feature. We'll be rolling out usernames over the coming days based on when you join Phantom. OGs get early access. So I've had a Phantom wallet since like 2021. So I would say I was early. I was early to the game on Phantom and Solana. So maybe I'll have early access. And when you're eligible, you'll get a banner with the official link to claim. So this will be right in your Phantom wallet. Let's open it up. And right between all these tabs here and your balances, you will see the banner that you'll be able to click on if you are eligible for usernames. What you can expect, let me get that out of the way. With your username, you'll take part in a new way to experience Phantom. Usernames will unlock new features, making crypto safer, easier, and friendlier than ever before. Usernames are 100% opt-in and allow you to personalize your wallet experience without compromising your privacy. So again, if you're unfamiliar with how this will probably work, the Ethereum version of it is Ethereum name service. Although ENS, you have to actually register your ENS, and you can set a time period, like a year, 2 years, 5, 10, 20, whatever, however long you want to own that name. But after that time period is up, you have to renew it, and you have to kind of repay to use your Ethereum name service. And then you also have SNS, Solana name service, which was Bonfida before. So maybe if I type in Bonfida, it'll come up. Bonfida. Well, there it is, but it's not showing correctly how I want to see it. I want to see it without it showing like the like on-chain like trade between Bonfida and Solana. Let's see if I can find it again. Solana name service. I'm just having a really hard time finding stuff and getting my computer to show stuff I want. But we got it. Solana name service. Here it is. I actually bought some during the Bitcoin conference. So let's see. Did I make a good decision or a bad decision? All right. Well, it's above where it started out at back in looks like September, October, or November of 2023. It was created and it launched at around 15 cents. Got to as high as 65 cents. And right now we're at 23 cents. So I think I bought it like somewhere back in here. So I'm down a little bit, but I believe in this service. But maybe since Phantom is coming out with their own service, it might just cease to exist, or no one will ever want to use this. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Currently in Malaysia. Singapore is like 2 hours away from me. So tempted to go. Hey, if you're only 2 hours away, why not just take the trip? Coinbase wallet has the same service where you can name your wallet without having to pay for the ENS, I believe. It's been like 2 years since I've seen it, says Cameron. Yeah, I think I have one when I set up my my Coinbase wallet. Let's double check. It's on my phone here. Let's see. Should be in like the top left-hand corner. We've made some updates to Coinbase wallet. I'll check that out later. But yeah, you can send to like myrealname.coinbase.id instead of like the 0x and then the long string of letters and numbers. So it makes it a lot easier if you are interacting with crypto with your friends, instead of like, all right, copy and paste, or let me send out this long string of the address. You can send it to like taco.eth or taco burrito Solana name service, and it'll head right to my Phantom wallet. Wherever I have that name hooked up to, whatever name I hooked that up, whatever like wallet it's hooked up to, that's obviously where the crypto will end up. So it's pretty cool. Like to see it. All right, let's go back to CoinMarketCap. Let's see what else is moving today. All right, BNB is up slightly. Good on the week though, 5.79%. Solana is kind of stable at $133. It's up 2.19% today, but down 1.89% over the week. USDC is at 99 cents. That's all right. Tether's at $1, like that. Dogecoin at 10 cents, up 2.37%. Toncoin pretty much it's recovered pretty well since the CEO got arrested in France. It's at $5.51. Let's hope that keeps going up because a lot of the market cap was removed after he was arrested. Let's go to the yearly. You could probably see exactly when it happened. Yeah, we dumped from $6.70 and then we got as low as $4.70. So we're right about in the middle of that move. So let's hope that this thing continues on its uprise. It was pretty flat for some time between, let's say, like October of 2022 and between February 2024. It was sitting between like $2 and $4, and then it went on like a nice parabolic rise all the way up to $8.20. Pretty good. I like Ton. I've been using their wallet, the Ton Keeper wallet. Let's see. I started off with $500, so I still have about 58 in stables. So I should have DCA'd in more down in like the $4 range, $4.50, $60 range, but $4.60 range, 70-cent range. That would have been the good move to make, but yeah, you never know in these type of markets. It could keep falling. This could just be like a lower high that is starting to form. But with the crypto markets and rate cuts happening on Wednesday, I think I read somewhere that the House, let me see if I can find this, 75 basis points is what they were calling basis points. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, the person that you crypto like really doesn't like is calling for 75 basis point rate cuts in a letter directed to Fed Chair Jerome Powell, and this was yesterday. We write today to urge the Federal Reserve to cut the Fed funds rate, currently at a 2-decade high of 5.3%. And they want it to be cut by 75 basis points at the Federal Open Market Committee, the FOMC meeting happening today and tomorrow. So they'll probably be discussing what's going to happen today, and then they'll announce it tomorrow. Given the Fed's confidence in inflation moving towards its target of 2% and data indicating slower job growth, now is the time to swiftly move towards that rate cut. So let's hope that happens. The overall market was thinking that it was going to be more of a 25 basis point cut, and 50 basis point cut was around like 47% going to happen. But Elizabeth Warren kind of threw a curveball in there with a 75 basis point cut. And I could say maybe the market is front running that decision because 25, 50, or 100, or 25, 50, or 75. 25 is bullish, 50 is super bullish, and 75%. Can I talk today? 75 basis point cut would really, really send the markets up. I believe. If not right away, down the line a little bit, maybe they'll try and scare a lot of people out of the markets by dumping it maybe like 10, 15% across the board. And that would be a really great opportunity to get back in. So that's maybe what they might do. But regardless, any basis point cut, I believe, is going to be bullish for crypto. Let's see if I can get that chart to come up again. BTC, ETH. Now it wants to work. Technology doesn't always agree with me. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is. So yeah, this is Ethereum versus Bitcoin. It has been on a decline since, I guess you could say December of 2021. We fell 44% versus Bitcoin. We recovered pretty nicely, 75%. But since September of 2022, we're down 54% versus Bitcoin. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. So this is the area I think Benjamin Cohen was calling for like a 0.04 ETH value versus Bitcoin, or a Bitcoin value versus ETH. And we're right under that. So let's hope that this does not get all the way down to like 0.016 right at the bottom of this chart. And this was all the way back in September of 2019. So What do you guys think? Do you think ETH is just going to continue to fall, or do you think somewhere there's going to be a reversal? We can get a move like this, or this would be great. That would be great. I want to see Ethereum start outperforming versus Bitcoin. That would be lovely because I own a lot of Ethereum. I don't own a lot of Bitcoin. I guess the whole ETH outperforms Bitcoin. Not always. Apparently, it hasn't been performing for the last 2 years versus Bitcoin. So we'll wait and see what happens. But this is the area that Benjamin Cohen was calling for, and he's been calling for it ever since up here. So I mean, he's been right. Because again, we've fallen about 50%. Ethereum's value versus Bitcoin. So we'll wait and see. What happens. All right. I showed you guys that. I showed you guys the names. All right. And more information from Phantom. We added a new cross-chain swap provider, Mayan Finance. That means you can bridge from ETH to 30 plus tokens on Solana, such as Bonk, Solana, Jupe, Judo, and Wen in one go. So I've never heard of Mayan Finance, so I want to check them out a little bit. Cross-chain auction protocol, powered by Solana and Wormhole. All right, so I'm bullish on Wormhole, even though their token really hasn't been performing very well. It was a massive airdrop, and a lot of people obviously like to take profits. I think my Wormhole position was $100, so it's down. It's down about 60%. Oh well, what are you gonna do, right? Next gen bridging experience. So even though I don't recommend doing this, because they probably will take a fee or some sort of like user experience, the ease of using this like cross-chain swap provider. So I would honestly maybe just try and do it without the Phantom wallet. But again, this is just what I'm thinking is going to happen, because if you use like the swap feature in the Phantom wallet, you hit review order, and remember, it includes a 0.85 Phantom fee. So that is for the ease of doing this within the wallet. But like if you want to just do a regular old swap, I would use Jupiter. Where's my Jupiter links? They're up here. Because it is the true price. You're getting the most value out of your crypto swap by swapping using Jupiter instead of the Phantom app. Let's see how Look is doing. I bought that token, I think, last week. Look, bro. It's at a 500,000 market cap. I bought it in that blue zone, that first blue circle, and I think I sold it like right there. So it's not doing terrible. It's kind of, let me stretch this out so you guys can see it. All right, so this is market cap. I want price. And let's go to like the hour. All right, so since its all-time high at about 0.002 cents, we are down about 80%. Let's look at the top traders again. Let's see if there's any sketchiness. All right, one transaction, $530, made 22 grand. That's great. This one looks like a semi-market maker, or maybe they could be a legit person. Only 119 transactions. Some bots get up into like the thousands of transactions. What's up, what's up, Dirty Dan? Good advice. Jupiter is great. Yes, it is, Cameron. I would recommend just using Jupiter if you want to swap. And if you own Jupiter tokens, you can stake them, and then you can vote on these proposals, which will give you a 75% launchpad fees, and you get these tokens that are launched on Jupiter. So it's pretty much a win-win, but remember, it's a 30-day period to unstake. I was just showing I staked 7 of these tokens. I don't think that's worth anything really, but it does allow me to vote. And it looks like I've missed 3 of them. Idiot. Oh, well. I'll have to keep an eye on that so I could actually vote on these things in the future. All right, let's see what else I got for you guys. All right, Solana achieves record-breaking net flows, surpassing all other blockchains combined over the last week. So this is pretty telling. A lot of money is flowing out of Ethereum, Arbitrum, and I'd say relatively small amounts from Base, Starknet, Blast, Linea, Sui, and Bitcoin. And they're more than anything heading into Solana. Look at that amount of inflows. 685.6 million and only outflows of 13.3 million. Whereas Ethereum, it looks like just under 600 million outflows, and I'd say most of that is going into Solana. So a lot of people are losing faith in Ethereum. And I mean, I just showed you guys the chart, Bitcoin versus Ethereum, and it's not looking good. I still like Ethereum. I still love that it's like the backbone of the crypto market. It's the blockchain where you have all these layer twos and pretty much like Base. Base is one of the best layer twos that's been created in the last year. I'll show you guys my Base position. I'm in Aerodrome, liquidity pool, variable automated market maker for USDC and Arrow. This thing has been so amazing. So I put in $1,200, but right now it's worth, let's see. So 667 times 2 minus 1,200. So just on my position, I'm up $134. And then off my emissions, I'm getting 65% APR in Arrow tokens. So that's right now 98.11 Arrow tokens or $68.50. So let's add that plus 68.50. So in 2 weeks or so, I have increased my value of my staked amount of USDC and Arrow. I have generated about $68 in Arrow emissions, and it comes to a grand total of $202 in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. I could claim this whenever I want. But remember, if you add liquidity to one of these positions, there's a bunch of different pools. They're stable, volatile, concentrated, incentivized, low TVL, participating, or you can just look at all pools. There are different like types of pools that you can go into. So some of them are very easy to understand, like this one I'm in right now. You just deposit in, and it's keeping the liquidity balance between USDC and Arrow. But if you want to get into like a more lucrative pool, let's go back. If my computer wants to go, I think it just froze. I'm using 1.7% of my computer and it can't refresh a page. All right, round 2. I don't want to create a new pool. I just want to see the liquidity positions. All right, here we go. So let's see if I could show you guys one that's very high. I guess this one's pretty high, but OVN token. I want to get like tokens that I actually recognize. All right, so I was talking about Coinbase Bitcoin. This is the wrapped ETH Coinbase Bitcoin concentrated volatility. So let's see what this actually entails. Once it loads the on-chain data. All right, new deposit. So here is where you can choose automated price range or a manual price range. If you go to the manual price range, this is more intuitive, intense when it comes to actually monitoring the position, because if it's out of the range, it's not going to be using your liquidity. So you can set a narrow price range, and that covers plus or minus 3%. Common covers plus or minus 8%, and wide is 15%. But as you go up in the width of your position, your APR goes down. So keep that in mind. Annualized rewards for current epoch. This is kind of misleading. So I would kind of take that with a grain of salt, because these are more of the APRs you're going to be receiving if you're in this concentrated liquidity pool. Let's go back and let's see what the automated one looks like. All right, so this is something I have not seen before. It still looks like it's 344%. Automated liquidity management, 10% rewards fee. The execution of this action requires the use of a third-party automated liquidity manager, Vault, that is provided by Runtime Global SA and not by Aerodrome. By contributing assets to this vault or otherwise interacting with it, you agree with the consent to vault legal notice. All right, so looks like they're using like a third-party provider for liquidity. I'd say that this is pretty safe. So you can hit that if you want to then enter into this. Got to remember impermanent loss when providing liquidity. If you held 1,200 in Arrow tokens, it could be worth more than the $200 made. Also, if Arrow goes down, it'll sell to keep that 50%. Yeah, exactly. So after I was lucky enough to enter into this position before the Coinbase Bitcoin and Aerodrome position starting to form the pools. So again, like this has been working out for me because I entered this position when Aerodrome was down, when I guess the amount of eyes and the amount of people using Aerodrome was lower. And then when Coinbase Bitcoin got added to this, a lot of people were in like an Arrow Coinbase Bitcoin position. So they had to purchase Arrow, which caused it to go up. So there is impermanent loss. This was lower than 1,200 at one point, but I love to see that it's above it. What do you guys think? You think I should keep it going, or do you think I should take my money, take my profits, and run it? Let's go and find what the Arrow chart looks like. Aerodrome Finance. All right, so this is the daily. Right off of the start, it had a great start. 2,300% gain. It has fallen 82%. But let's see what it's looking like nowadays. All right, so back in September 8th, about 9 days ago, we had a green dot on market cipher B. If you just, and I think that was like around the time that I entered into this position. Maybe it was like, maybe it was in the beginning of September a little bit. So on that position, I'm up about 18 or 19%, maybe give or take a little bit. So the momentum on market cipher B looks like it could be starting to want to clip over to the downside, but it's kind of stair-stepping up. So let's hope that it continues up and it goes higher than it did on July 20th. So between July 6th and July 20th, it pumped around, let's see, 167%. Keep it rolling. Stake that Arrow token. I don't want to get lost in too many but I am Taco. I am a Degen. I could lock it or stake it so I could vote. Counting tokens. Counts it one by one. That's why it takes a little longer. All right, so let's see what this is all about. Concentrated liquidity 100 wrapped ETH versus USDC. Let's see what happens. You need to create a lock in order to start voting. Locking will give you an NFT, also referred to as a VNFT. It's giving you 52%. Total rewards has been over 600 grand so far. Incentives looks very low. Fees, that's what this number is, essentially. Indie Halo says, Happy Taco Tuesday. Cologne Bombado. Turbo rising strong. That's that chance to make a quick profit, low capitalization, low token quantity, 10x easy. Only joy, my dears. All right, wait, there is another token. Troll. Let's drag out Troll first. All right. This token is 1 year, 4 months old, almost 5 months old. 14.5 million market cap, 1.38 million in liquidity. Looks correct. Looks like the correct one. And this was mentioned by Plutobolic. All right, let's go to the daily since this thing is really old. All right, so out of nowhere, it decided to pump up like crazy. It won't even show me the percent gain because it's so low of a price. 0.0 with 8 zeros, and up here there's only 6 zeros. So since that high to the low, it's dropped 94% from the low to the high, or from the low to where we're currently at. Come on, chart, you could do it. This is up. It won't even tell me because it's so low of a number. 8 zeros. 8 zeros. Volume is decent. A lot more buy volume than sell volume. So 28% on the day. Let's see what the holders, there's 13,000 holders, top traders. Oh my gosh. This person got over $250,000 for free. 2 transactions for $2,000 turned into $250,000. That's pretty crazy. $5,000 into $50,000. Got their tokens for free. 1 transaction of $700. They made $37,000. So they must have bought way back here when it was literally worthless. There's 9 zeros on this one. And then out of nowhere, it just decided to go parabolic. Why? I wonder why. Plutobolic, do you know much about this project? Why did it go parabolic? Let's see. Gabby, check out Amikami, brother. And then Indie Halo was looking into Rio. It's our RWA play, real world assets. Ooh, I want to look at the bubble maps for this token real quick. Or at least, what is this on? This is down Ethereum mainnet. All right, let's look at the token holder distribution. All right, so Huobi. Was this a Huobi token? Did they create this token? And then Gate.io owns. So Huobi owns 10% of the supply. What the hell? And Gate owns 6.9%. Uniswap V2 pool is at 4.6%. Okay, that's good. This person owns 40 trillion tokens, or 4.1% of the supply. So what was the liquidity? What was it, like 1.3? So 1.3 million. So obviously Huobi probably has this to sell to their users. Gate.io, probably same thing. Uniswap V2 pool is people swapping probably wrapped ETH for this token. This is an address that you got to kind of keep an eye on. Let's hope that they don't dump their whole entire bag because it's over 600 grand. Also this address. So these two can essentially wipe out the entire liquidity. HTX owns 2.7%. This address. All right. So it gets a little better from there. You have a few exchanges. Gate again, MEXC, BingX. Let's see, MEXC down here. And then you have, what is this? Gate.io. That one dude owns about 81 grand of the token. Rio gets pretty heavy on X. What does that mean? I want to look at Turbo real quick. Isn't that yellow creature? All right, so this has more liquidity. It's 362 million, pretty high market cap. All right, so today it's up about 55%, or I guess over the last half a month, up 53%. What happened here for it to go up 1,700%? Holy shit. What was the market cap like? Market cap went from 41 million all the way up to 669 million. And that happened in probably less than a month. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that little yellow guy. There it is. So this is pretty crazy. What's causing Turbo to go up like this? I want to look at the token holders. Is it another exchange token where all these exchanges have the token? Come on. Holders. All right, Uphold. There you go. There. Look at this. Look at this list of top token holders. Uphold, OKX, Vesting, BitGet, Binance, MEXC, Gate, Crypto.com, another Gate, Huobi. These are also Gate. Crypto.com. So is this a how's the taco coin? It's pretty stable. Pretty stable. We're still at about a 7,000 ADA market cap. Hasn't been any buy or sells in 8 days. But again, I don't really have crazy plans for this token. Other as long as we get out of the bonding curve, I'm going to start giving away my tokens. I have about 21% of the tokens, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them away after we get out of the bonding curve. But again, this is just a fun meme coin for the Degen Alpha channel called D-Taco is the ticker, or Degen Taco. It's just for fun on the Cardano network. Buy it, don't buy it. It's literally, I just made it because Snake.fun launched, and I wanted to experiment with it. Turns out everyone and their mother was trying to create a Cardano meme coin at the same time. And essentially, it took about 40 minutes to transfer Cardano from one wallet to another wallet. It's unfortunate. I wish that Cardano's blockchain didn't have these bottleneck issues when trying to submit a lot of transactions at once. That's kind of the whole bread and butter of a blockchain, is it's able to scale. I love Cardano. Don't get me wrong. I just think it could be better. Where was I? I was looking at Turbo. So yeah, Uphold owns over 50 million, and the liquidity. Hey, look at that. My daily stream scam call. So what's the liquidity like? 2.5 million. So that's how these tokens can get massive amounts of percent gains, is when you have these whales that own massive amounts of the supply and they aren't moving, they aren't selling it. So, yeah. What do you guys think about this? Couple exchange list Turbo. I did day trade it when volume was super high, says Indie Halo. C90 FTW missed that you got that token. Hey, well, you still have your opportunity to get in. If you want to find it and you don't want to just look on snake.fun, you can go to the Degen Alpha Telegram, and it's under Degen Taco Meme Coin. Hey, Nicole has some. Hell yeah. All right. Let's see. I think I did have some other stuff for you guys. This is that Play Solana NFT that was launched yesterday. It looks like it's now under the mint price of 1.5 Solana. It's at 1.47 Solana. It's always struck me as rather odd. You go out of your way to be one of the first people to mint something like this, and then after 2 days, 1 or 2 days, you want to get rid of it for lower than what you paid for it. Hey, Crypto Breezy got some D-Taco as well. Hell yeah. All right. This is some updated information on D-Bridge, their airdrop, and Magic Eden, their token. So if you have used D-Bridge in the past, I was going into this when I first started this Degen Alpha stream a lot, because back then, like 3-4 months ago, a lot of people were wanting to bridge their crypto to like Solana or to Base or just to any EVM chain. And D-Bridge has all these chains, not as much as Orbiter. And also Orbiter allows you to get points as well. But yeah, look at all the chains on Orbiter. They have all the EVMs. They have a bunch of ones that I've never even heard of. Gravity, I've never heard of. Match Chain, never heard of that one. Bohm Chain, Cyber, Bounce Bit, ZK Fair. Have you guys ever heard of any of these? Alien X Chain. +1 in the chat if you've ever used Alien X Chain. ZK Link Nova, BitLayer, Proof of Play Apex, Optopia, Bob, Zirkit. Never heard of any of these. Hot Sauce, says KJam. All right. Where was I? What was I showing you guys? Oh, yeah, back here. So D-Bridge Finance, the token will be listed on Kraken, Mexi, BitGet, Kate, KuCoin, and tested already. It will launch after Breakpoint in last week of September. So if you want to claim this, if you've used D-Bridge and you want to claim this token through one of these exchanges, you can opt in, and it's available for the next 3 days before launch. LFG. I'm not sure what LFG stands for. They're busy at Breakpoint, but promise in September. And then Magic Eden. Today we will know about the token launch airdrop when the company will celebrate 3 years old. While everything looks strange and nothing is clear, for both projects, the Breakpoint hype is a good time to launch the token. But do not forget about the market situation. Fed meeting today. So Fed is talking today again and probably will announce their decision tomorrow. Ooh, Joseph Glenson has used ZK Fair. They're milking users. Who's milking users? Orbiter is never dropping their token. Oh, well, regardless, if they never drop a token, if you need to bridge to one of these blockchains, I would use Orbiter. It's one of the fastest and it's pretty cheap. All right. Bluff City Breaks is getting 225,000 D-Bridge for the airdrop. I think I'm getting like 300 or so. I really didn't need to bridge a lot because I had a lot of crypto across a lot of different EVMs. And essentially, if you have that already in place, you don't need to bridge your tokens because it is a gas fee. It is a transaction. So again, I did this way back in the day, experimenting on sketchy bridges that thankfully worked. And I'm pretty sure a lot of them are not even online anymore. So when it comes to bridges, I'd say Orbiter is good, and so is D-Bridge. Yeah, Bluff City Breaks is getting a shit ton of tokens. Hopefully that is worth $225,000. That'd be really nice. All right, let's see what else I got. Oh, this is pretty crazy. So I believe it was yesterday, or maybe it's today it launches. Tokenomics on CNBC. Did you think you'd see the day? Oh, yeah, I'll look at Omikami real quick after this. Did you guys think you would see the day that you'd see tokenomics on a news station? So they're showing you the tokenomics of World Liberty Financials, WLFI tokens. And this is Donald Trump and his son's crypto finance platform. 20% to founding team, 63% for public purchase. But the tokens are non-transferable. Doesn't provide any dividends or distribution, and no official date set for sale. All right, and then I found this. Trump crypto project to have non-transferable tokens, 63% of supply to be sold to public, 17% held for user rewards, 20% allocated to team. Token sales to be restricted to accredited investors in the U.S. That sucks. So it's only for the wealthy. I think it's more people, accredited investor. I think they have to have over $1 million. Amongst other categories, the SEC now defines accredited investors to include the following individuals who have certain professional certificates, designations, or credentials. Individuals who are knowledgeable employees of a private fund, an SEC and state registered investment advisor. All right, here we go. To qualify, you have to own over $1 million in net worth or more than $200,000 in earned income in the past 2 calendar years. So, yeah, not for me. Maybe one day. All right, let's look at, what was it? Omikami. Did you check yours through the allocation on their website? It's not based on points, by the way. Let's see. Yeah, 251. I really didn't use it that much. Maybe I actually used it just for when I actually needed to get crypto from blockchain to blockchain. I didn't farm it. I didn't literally just do like 0.0001 ETH transferred back and forth between these blockchains a million times just to get the points. So yeah, my allocation is 251. Better than nothing. And I actually used the site how it was, I guess, intended to be used to get crypto from, again, point A to point B by bridging it across blockchains. What is this? All right. On-Chain Daily, and this is by Base. Doodles is teaming up with Rubik's Cube official to bring limited edition Rubik's collectibles on-chain. Mint packs for a chance to pull rare wearables, physical cubes, and a 1-of-1 20-carat diamond cube made by Elliot Elenetti. Maybe I can mint this right now. Let's try. Shop, rip, reveal. Crack packs for a chance to pull rare wearables. I just read that. Packs are only available for purchase until 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 20th. Oh, yeah, I never looked at Omikami. Well, I'll look at it right after this. I promise. Oh, we got a ton when they had rebates. Bluff City Breaks really farmed it. See, like, more power to you. You're going to get a bigger allocation, so that's awesome. Every pack has a chance to pull the one-on-one diamond. Guys, you think I can get the diamond? Get your pack. Let's see how much they cost. If it's like an arm and a leg, I'm not going to do it. All right. It's loading. Everything is loading. Hey, $5. Or I can get 2 packs for 50 cents off. Let's go big. 100 packs. No, I'm just kidding. 1. Let's just get 1. Why not? Do I really need to? No, I can continue with my MetaMask. Let's do that. It's on base, so I should be able to do it with my base Ethereum. All right, sign in. Welcome to Doodle Studio. We need a bit more information. Let's do that one. And let's do that one. All right, this is the whole process here. I'll put this in the chat, actually, so you guys could do this as well if you want. So there's that. And then I'm going to throw this in the Telegram as well under, let's do it under degeneracy. Cobra Flex is catching nice moves on TCAT. So here it is, worth $617. Boom. 1,179 bucks on his TCAT position. Hell yeah. Nice job there, Cobra Flex. All right. So did I forget to even post it? Degeneracy. No, I did. So if you're in the Telegram, if you want to find this link, I posted it right here, or I posted it in the chat for you guys. All right. So I got to go to my email and type in the password. All right. Let's get that. Doodles. Here we go. Perfect. All right. Now I'm in. All right, here we go. Because of an error, we couldn't check for security alerts. I trust Doodles. Doodles is like a really hyped NFT. Kelly Kellum is in Singapore at Breakpoint, Solana Breakpoint, David Middleton. So that's why he has been MIA. Yeah, it'd be pretty cool if he's DJing. I would expect him to. He's a really good DJ. Preparing your 1 pack to open. Let's go, guys. Can I get the freaking gold one? Or the blinged out one? All right, how do I rip my pack now? All right, here we go. Here we go. Step into a world of twists, turns, and vibrant puzzles with the Rubik's Cube pack. Featuring eye-catching wearables and accessories, this pack features a range of colors. All right, whatever. Open pack. Dun, 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 dun. Is this what I have to do? Premiere pack? Do I have packs and I didn't even know it? Is there no audio? All right. My pull is what did I just do?
I got swag that's not in the store. I pop tags you couldn't afford. I stay clean, please don't.
Do you guys want to watch this for another 3 minutes? I don't. I want to open that pack I just bought. All right, so I had other packs. Oh! All right, I had to open my eyes. 3 days, 1 hour, and 33 minutes until I can open this. So it looks like I'm opening this on Friday. Hopefully, it might be after my stream. Why do I also have these other things? I might as well open them. I didn't even know I had them. I feel like I just had some LSD. Okay, I got this and this. Kyle Rich, Lil Wayne, and Lil Yachty. Okay, cool. All right, let's look at Omikami. And then I'm gonna bid you guys farewell. Ooh, look at that. Still pumping. Turbo is still pumping. Turbo. All right. Omikami. All right. So this one was created almost 2 years ago. This one was created 7 days ago. It's obviously this one. This looks like the turbo chart. So Omikami, what is Omikami? In God we trust. Welcome to the official Twitter account of Omikami, the new and final journey for the people. Okay. Ooh. The most secure dog on the Ethereum blockchain. The Omikami token is our foundational currency that allows investors to hold hundreds, thousands, or even millions of it in their wallet. Ryoshi made this coin, and this is Vitalik's friend, apparently. Holy shit, this website is crazy. 1 billion, 0 to pre-sale, 100% of the liquidity is locks, and there's no tax on buying and selling. Pretty good. All right, so I scroll down, but I go up. Okay. A decentralized token evolving into a vibrant ecosystem and revolutionizing DeFi, Web3, AI, machine learning, and metaverse. Raijin. All right. The MetaMask wallet. Create a MetaMask wallet. Send ETH to your wallet. Connect wallet to Uniswap. Obviously, this is just how to buy it. We're Degens. We know how to buy it. All right. Kami, Burnbot, AmiBot, Web3, OmiSwap. What is this? Omi roadmap. All right. So this is pretty intensive when it comes to a meme coin. They went above and beyond to really spruce up this website. I mean, this is pretty cool. Bringing me through the history of the project, the roadmap, and how to buy it. And I guess they have their own bot. It's a Telegram bot. It's a text and image generator powered by Omni, OpenAI, and DALL-E. Have you ever dreamed of a perfect AI that would combine ChatGPT and DALL-E right in your Telegram? All right, let's get it. All right. Hopefully, join Omega portal to unlock the features. So probably I won't be able to use it. Draw me a degenerate taco that loves crypto. Let's see what happens, guys. And then this is where I'm gonna end the stream today. If this takes more than another 30 seconds. Oh, here we go. All right. Imagine a quirky taco often seen with symbols associated with cryptocurrency. Its shell is in an irregular, rugged shape, signifying a non-conformist attitude. The filling inside has chicken, lettuce, tomato, and shredded cheese peeking out. With eyes exuding enthusiasm, the taco is browsing through a laptop displaying cryptocurrency charts. The background depicts a cyberspace-like setting with digital screens flashing market numbers, charts, and graphs, aptly representing a crypto landscape. Coins with the symbol of Bitcoin and Ethereum, amongst others, are scattered around. This is a fun depiction of a food item being an active part of the crypto world. All right, I hope you enjoyed this stream today. It was a fun one. Crypto's fun, right, guys? You get to experience new projects that my community lets me know about. And hey, look at that! Now I got a free Dolly image generator in my Telegram. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here on X and YouTube. Peace!